Oh my God, what's wrong with Democrats? New York Attorney General files lawsuit with intention to dissolve National Rifle Association. This is wrong, completely wrong. What's wrong with Democrats? Breaking, says New York Attorney A.G. James. I filed a lawsuit to dissolve the National Rifle Association for years of self-dealing and illegal conduct. The NRA is fraught with fraud and abuse. No organization is above the law. Wow, we have seen across the country what Democrats have done for America, and they are acting very bad lately with strange laws that it wants to destroy family values, Antifa, Black Lives Matters, and now this one. Are you serious? A.G. James? Terrible, terrible, terrible. Make sure to cast your vote for our president, Donald Trump, next in the next time. Yeah, this is terrible. Terrible, terrible.
Looting looting assets and using it for their own personal benefit and their family.
Wow, incredible.